The giraffe is the tallest land animal on Earth and one of the most recognizable creatures due to its extremely long neck and legs. Here's an overview. Giraffe general characteristics. Scientific name, Giraffe camelopardalis. Height, up to 5.5 to 6 meters, 18 to 20 feet. Weight, around 800 to 1,200 kilograms, 1,800 to 2,600 pounds. Lifespan, about 20 to 25 years in the wild. Giraffes have long necks with 7 vertebrae, the same number as humans, each greatly elongated. Their distinctive coat patterns, spots or patches on a light background, are unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. Globe showing Europe-Africa habitat. Giraffes live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. They're especially common in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, and South Africa. Herb diet. They are herbivores, mainly eating leaves, shoots, and flowers from tall trees, particularly acacia trees. Their long tongue, up to 45 centimeters, and prehensile lips help them grasp branches and avoid thorns. DNA behavior and adaptations. Giraffes sleep very little, only about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day. They have excellent eyesight and use height to spot predators from afar. Despite their long necks, they have the same number of neck bones as most mammals. They can run up to 56 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour for short bursts. Lion face predators and threats. Main predators include lions, especially targeting young giraffes. Major threats today come from habitat loss, poaching, and human expansion. Yellow heart social structure. Giraffes are social but loosely organized animals. They live in open herds without a strict hierarchy, often grouping by age or sex.